There will be a 4-bar introduction, then you begin when the main beat enters. The first move is a fast acceleration with a jump half turn in the air for 14 repetitions. The pattern is 3 steps and a hop. Take long strides as this should travel. Watch the footwork. 1, 2, 3, jump turn. Getting your feet together in the air makes that half twist much smoother. There are 3 main technical cues in this part. First, eyes in the direction of movement. Look forward when accelerating and turn your head when turning in the air. Second, pump the arms. Do not underestimate the value of a strong arm pump in acceleration. And third, lean forward into the sprint and spring up high in the jump. Now here is a modified version with simpler movements and lower impact on the ankles. There are similar technical cues to the previous version. Still make long strides, keep your eyes in the direction of movement, and remember the strong arm pump, and be light on your feet. And there will still be 14 repetitions of this pattern. Now for the mental cues, the song is called Spiral Descent, so this movement goes in a spiral loop pattern. Run forward with aggressive power, then jump with fierce determination to reach something you need to have. Stay on your toes, always ready for the next move. You're powerful and quick thinking. Now practice with the song.